Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is National Banana Day. Who knew there was a special day for bananas? But there is. And we're gonna make something, a dessert with bananas. And it's called Banoffee Pie. Banoffee Pie is a classic British dessert, and it's a cross, but not a cross. It is a combination of bananas and toffee, hence Banoffee. This video is part of a collaboration hosted by my friend Jim from Jim's Kitchen. And he had the idea of doing something with bananas. So there will be a playlist in my description below with all the other channels participating, making something with bananas. So this should be interesting. So come along and let's make some Banoffee pie.
First thing we need to do is get our crust ingredients together, and that would involve crushing graham crackers, melting butter and chocolate, and adding some sugar. When your butter and chocolate are melted, stir the mixture until it's thoroughly combined. Pour your chocolate mixture into your graham crackers and mix together until the mixture is crumbly. I forgot to add my sugar, but that's okay. We'll incorporate it now, just like nothing happened. I'm using a 9-inch tart pan with a removable bottom, or you can use a springform pan, totally up to you. And put your chocolate crumb mixture into your tart pan, and you want to pat it down, I'd say with about medium pressure. I'm going to use the bottom of a measuring cup, and I'm going to press the crumb mixture into the sides of the tart pan so that it adheres really well. And I'm also going to press the bottom just to even it out a bit.
We're going to take our tart shell and we're going to put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes. This is a no-bake crust. Isn't that great? So we don't have to turn the oven on today. And while this is setting up in the refrigerator, we're going to get our toffee filling ready. The toffee of the Banoffee pie. See you in a bit. So in my saucepan, I have brown sugar, 2/3 cup, and 8 tablespoons of butter. And we're gonna melt this together. It's on medium heat, and we're gonna melt it until the brown sugar is dissolved.
Now it's time to add our sweetened condensed milk. Stir everything until it's well combined, and now we need to wait for it to bubble. Once it starts to bubble, stir constantly for about 3 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm also going to throw in a pinch of salt.
This is looking really good right now. I'm going to take it off the heat and let it cool a little before we pour it into our tart shell.
This needs to go in the refrigerator for at least an hour. 2 is probably a safe bet. So I'll see you back here in a little bit, and we'll make our whipped cream and chop up our bananas and assemble.
Time to get our whipped cream going. I'm pouring 2 cups of heavy whipping cream into this bowl. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. We'll beat this on high speed until medium peaks form. Most recipes will call for really ripe bananas, such as banana bread. But in Banoffee pie, you really want your bananas to be firm. You'll probably need about 2 to 3 large bananas. I would start with 2, see how much you have, and go from there. When you're finished slicing your bananas, you can start to layer them on the filling, going around in a circle, and you'll just repeat until you get to the middle.
So for this recipe, I used 2 large bananas. And there we go.
You want to spread your whipped cream out on top of your bananas, making sure to cover them completely. This will prevent your bananas from browning.
Now I'm going to be adding some toffee bits to the top of this. This is going to give it a nice toffee flavor as well as some texture. The other thing I'm going to be adding is some shaved chocolate, just a little bit.
Here's a nice slice of the Banoffee pie showing all those delicious layers.
Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone. Happy National Banana Day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.